Hi guys, I'm here at my side backyard. I'm refilling my potted plant with more soil. Good. There is still soil here, although it's quite dry because we have been experiencing hot days, even if it's already autumn. So no need to buy soil. And I've got also some more potted plants to refill, but I'll just put in my plastic bag so I don't need to bring the potted plants here at my backyard. I think I've got two more small potted plants to fill in my front garden. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, guys. Bye for now.